Hey love, I think I'm ready now. I've been so patient, anticipating, and you came along. So I decided to write you a song. And if you don't know by now, darling, you changed me. You rearranged me from a boy to a man.